Hello, FG1. FG1. Today, this one. Revell 144 scale. Apollo 11 Saturn 5 rocket. 50th anniversary moon landing. 1969 to 2019. 50-year anniversary. Model kit is here. Right here. They also have 72 scale too. Yeah. Really big. 72 scale is like 1.5 meter, maybe. I'm not sure. Yeah, I was gonna buy that. I really wanted to buy that, but I didn't buy. They still have it in the hobby shop. Like this big box. Yeah, that's too big for me. Yeah, I got it for 30 2 days ago. On eBay, the price range for this one is around 60 without shipping. Yeah, so 30 is good deal. Box has some damage on the side, but no problem. I don't care. Let's see inside. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay. 50th anniversary. Yeah. There's one question. Did we really land on the moon? On the moon? Do you believe? Who knows? Whatever. Anyway, they left the Earth. That is for sure. Yeah. I'm not sure if they arrived the moon or not. There are lots of conspiracy there. So many documentary about that. Yeah, I've seen many. So it's your choice whether you believe it or not. I want to believe, yeah. Not 100% believe, but I want to believe. Whatever. Yeah, so the plastic bags are still sealed. Should I open it? Yeah, okay. I'm going to open it to show you. I'll show you the instruction first. Deco here. Deco. Clean. Neat. Good one. Apollo. Saturn. Apollo Saturn. This spaceship is really big. The real one is really big, I think. Yeah. How tall is it? Uh, $110 high. 110. Huge. 110 meter. And 3,000 tons. Wow, can you believe this heavy things fly itself to the space? Whatever, yeah. Here. Okay. Done. Okay. Let's see the model. Doesn't look very clean or neat, but it's okay. That's Revell. Ooh. That's white part, and is this silver part? More like gray. Yeah, silver. And the base. Okay. It's okay. It looks it's a little bit expensive. $70 for this. Whatever. I bought it for 30, so it's okay. Yeah. Nothing special, just like this. So if you want to buy, then buy. Oh, I haven't started. Yeah, I give you some review when I'm started, when it started. For now, I'm not going to recommend anything. Yeah, just see for yourself, and then you decide. This plastic is like real Revell original plastic. Yeah. I have a 72 scale, the space shuttle, the Discovery or Columbia, like that, the spaceship. That has the same plastic, like this. Yeah. The white one, same quality, same material, looks very same. Do it later. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna show you some more. The box, the back of the box, side, the other side, here, it's gone here. Wow. One step for man, and huge, what was it? Huge leap for mankind, whatever. Huge step for mankind. Yeah. I was going to buy this one actually. Yeah. So I was waiting. Someone was put this one on the list. Yeah. So I just got it. Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna show you the figures. The figures included here. See? Figures. 144 scale. Tiny. Yeah. Good. Okay, so thank you very much and have a good modeling. Have a good modeling. Okay. Thank you. Bye.